Dude, it's been really good. Riding with Barcia's been good. We've been I gave him permission to bang with me. That didn't come out right.
Oh, it got weird, Justin. I don't think anything's weird. You just scared Michael, he's leaving. We're just hanging out, riding dirt bikes a little bit. It's cool to see the trial stuff, the off-road guys, us doing a little bit of supercross riding. Just a free day to have some fun.
Riding for GASGAS is awesome. The bike's super fun. The Trials motorcycle especially is a proven platform that's really powerful. Has an extremely good clutch and suspension's awesome. So just overall, it kind of epitomizes everything that GASGAS is about: having fun and riding well.
6 feet, sir. 6 feet.
It's amazing. He's brought all the things I'm missing out of my life.
Probably the second best teammate Justin's ever had, next to Kevin Windham. So
that's true.
I'm pretty stoked.
He's up there. You're up there in my voice.
Doctor, ¿qué mal se encuentra? Mírele, doctor, qué mal está. Como una rata rabiosa.
Everyone feels like family, our teammates, crew members, and yeah, I think the vibe's there, and I think we're gonna be good for 2021.